Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the middle burner on your gas stove. This central burner is a fantastic addition to many modern gas ranges, offering unique capabilities beyond your standard 4 burners. It's often designed with an elongated or oval shape, perfect for accommodating larger cookware. Some models even come with a custom-fit griddle, transforming your stovetop into a versatile cooking surface for a wide array of meals. The middle burner provides excellent, even heat distribution, which is crucial for cooking on larger surfaces like griddles. Imagine making a full breakfast with pancakes, bacon, and eggs all at once. It's also superb for warming several dishes for a family meal or gently simmering a big pot of stew. This extra space truly enhances your cooking flexibility, making meal preparation more efficient and enjoyable for everyone. For optimal results, select cookware that matches the burner's shape, such as a griddle, grill pan, or an oblong roasting pan. Always ensure your chosen cookware fully covers the flame to maximize heat transfer and prevent any potential hazards. When using a griddle, preheat it slowly for about 5 minutes on a medium-low to medium setting. This gradual heating ensures even temperature across the entire surface, preventing hot spots and promoting consistent cooking. Safety is paramount when using any gas burner. Always make sure the flame stays beneath your cookware. It should never extend up the sides. Keep dish towels, paper products, and other flammable items well away from the active cooking area. For longevity and efficient operation, regularly clean the burner ports to prevent clogs. This ensures a consistent flame and proper ignition every time you cook, keeping your stove in top condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.